Y'all know what a CPAP is? It's for people with sleep apnea, for little people that don't understand this. It's where fat people, we go to sleep and we die. That's pretty much what happens. The fat cells in our neck, like, we have lived a long, good life. Let this thing go. Well, how will we do this? Let's crush his airway while he's not looking. When should we do it? During a baseball game or NASCAR? He tends to doze off during that. So if you hear, that is not a snore. That is the fat cells just charging their way through to the airway, just stop him breathing.